the
car show. You're
show.
responsible for the car show?
So this is the first annual Tiki Oasis car show.
Cool.
We just decided to try it. We wanted to theme it to the event since this year's theme for Tiki Oasis 2009 is Surf City. So we were targeting dune buggies, surf wagons, surfed out BWs, woodies. It was a little difficult rounding up specifically those cars, so eventually we let in some hot rods. Some very cool cars here though. There's a couple cars here that I didn't sign up that are here, but that's cool too. From the gang, from the Hula Girls, they were great.
Yeah.
I missed Crazy Al's giveaway. I guess he was giving away some stuff.
Oh, well.
But I had to go hit the waffle spot. I had to go.
Well done.
I had to go visit Sir Waffle-Lot. He commanded me.
How's it going?
Good, man. We're on candid camera.
Oh,
this is
excellent.
Jason.
Smile.
Aloha.
Hey, Jason.
So,
What's happening?
I rounded up all the cars, and then I handed everything over to Jason, and he got all this coordinated.
Excellent.
So
you're the
That's
dude.
right. So, you know, kind of showed up and just like, hey guys, just put them wherever you want.
Great job.
Thank you so
Fabulous.
much.
and
Yes.
there's a Primo beer waiting for you over there. So.
Yeah, I met the Primo beer guy, and thank God he made it.
Primo, it's good for you.
We'll work for beer.
It's the Hawaiian PBR.
It's what's
It's what's for breakfast.
it's what's for breakfast. Exactly.
Excellent.
Thank you guys.
All right.
Thank you, Bill.
Is that gonna be on the big screen next year?
Nah,
No,
not too
not
big.
a big screen.
The
Just a
the
little screen.
It's like one.